Make 2019 the year you finally do your estate planning. Attorney NICOLE Pavlik with NICOLE Pavlik Law Firm is here to tell us who needs one and why. Good morning.
Hi.
So tell me a little bit about an estate plan. What exactly is it?
So an estate plan really is just a series of documents that are prepared for the unexpected, and the unexpected being incapacity and death. So usually it's a general list of documents which include a durable power of attorney, a healthcare power of attorney, a living will, a last will and testament, and sometimes a revocable trust. And then these documents are customized to the individual or couple getting them prepared.
And who needs this?
Well, that's a big question, because really anybody 18 years or older should have an estate plan. But what I want to emphasize is that a lot of people think that only the rich need an estate plan, and that's not true. Everybody can benefit from an estate plan. I have clients that are retired, that are younger and don't have a lot of money, that have a new baby, that are individuals or not married. Really, it's important to make sure that they choose who's going to get their stuff when they pass away, and it's not decided by the state, and they choose who the guardians of their minor children are, and not a judge.
And tell me the difference between a will and a trust.
So I get asked this question all the time. It's the most popular question. And I think why is because people are confused because they're very similar. They both really accomplish the same thing. They both allow you to transfer assets when you pass away. So again, they say who's going to get your stuff when you pass away. However, a trust has some features that a will doesn't. A trust avoids probate. So probate is the process where your will is filed with the court and then becomes public record. A lot of people don't like that idea that their will is going to be public, and then they don't want their family to deal with that court process. Another feature of a trust, which a lot of people like, is it has an on and off switch. So you can say when you want someone to receive money and when they shouldn't receive money. So it can go on and off. So example is if somebody has young children or maybe even adult children who are bad with money, they can say I want it to be turned on at certain ages, certain milestones, or even just certain periods of time. And then in the meantime, it will be turned off and they're not getting money.
And why do you think people put this off so much?
You know, there's a few reasons. First of all, nobody likes to think about the worst. They don't want to think about dying, but unfortunately, everyone is going to die. I really want people to think about this differently. I think an estate plan is really a gift for your loved ones. You are putting a plan in place and making sure everything is outlined, and this is going to reduce the amount of stress that they're dealing with in a very emotional situation. Second, people are overwhelmed with the process. And this is really self-induced because people are assuming they have to get all of this paperwork in order to come to see an estate attorney, when most of my clients bring very little paperwork, if any paperwork, to the first meeting. And then last, people just have a tough time making decisions, but that's because they don't know what options they have. And so working with an estate attorney, I'm able, like myself, I'm able to give them work through scenarios and give them suggestions they didn't even know they had. So most of my clients leave after having an estate plan prepared saying, this was so easy, I should have done this so much sooner, and this was not what I thought it was going to be at all.
You've got a special offer for our viewers as well.
I do. So I always have a free 30-minute telephone consultation. But if you contact my office by February 28th and mention Your Life Arizona, you will get 15% off my services. And then for the first 5 clients, I will give you my warranty program for free, and this covers any changes for 3 years.
Some really great information. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if you want more information, you can visit npavliklaw.com or call the number on your screen.